Everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm about to show you guys how you can do the airplane mode trick in Monopoly Go. So first let's get to Monopoly Go game, and here you just have to make sure that before the Monopoly Go game detects that you have put it on the airplane mode, you have to get this done. Okay. All right. Yes. Now once I press go, the second time I'm gonna do this is when I will put it on airplane mode. And let's go. Okay. Now each time that I can use go, it will be saved. Okay. Now let's say that it has been saved all these times. Now let's go back and do this, and then also clear cache and data if you need. And then once you log it in again, the every roll that you had done when you had put it on the airplane mode, its rewards will be there, but you will not be at that place exactly. That's how it works. So yeah, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing and helpful content like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.